Nicola! Nicola!
Price.
Sabi ko wala ng price ah.
Ano to?
Onion rings.
Oh, ito masarap.
Wow. Nicola ah.
Alam mo bro, ibon pa yan.
Mamaya, eat muna. Cheeseburger. Grabe naman to, ho. May baon tayong kanin. Dahil kami Pilipino. Kaso wala kaming adobo. Ang ulam for today. Sarap pa hotdog dun. Hotdog and bacon.
Nico, yes sir.
Nico, sinelas.
Pasok lang gamit, bigla pa tayo. Di ba?
Easy nga eh.
Dudumihan pa tayo.
Kaya nga.
Saka siyempre.
I love the beach.
Puro buhangin yung bibig.
Taray. O tama na, ang OA na, mag-ugas na lang tayo doon. Sayang yung PG.
Wala na, ubos na.
Oh my God. Hi. Ano daw? 25 yan. Check box soon. Sit down, Nicolo. It's okay. Room tour. So pagpasok ng room, ito ang CR at ito ang daddy. Daddy, tell us what happened.
Motherfucker, I stepped into a grease while we're walking the beach with Nicolo. And it's sticking my feet and sticking everywhere, sticking my slippers, my hand. Now I'm taking it out with the detergent that, thanks to my wife, she has brought it. I don't know why. Probably the reason she brought a detergent.
Pang-ugas ng bote ni Nicolo.
She thought we were gonna be here for a week, but it's a good thing still that she brought a detergent.
For a week?
Otherwise, you have to go look for a Walmart around this place and then buy some detergent soap and sugar.
Hindi ka na makakapag-uwi ng ng shampoo, daddy. Oh.
Iba na, no?
Iba na. Wais na sila ngayon. Mirror! Hagardo Versosa. Galing kami ng Santa Monica Beach. Tapos ito ang aking study area. Tapos ito ang aming living room. At ito ang baby ko, si Nicolo. Say hi! Say hi to the camera, please. Say hi to madlang people. May air, may cable. Ang closet. Nag-aayos pa ako. Ito ang bed. At ito ang view. Ako'y ligong-ligo na, guys. See you later. Hi, everyone. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi, kamusta po kayong lahat?
Lahat!
So, ito, we're here. We're gonna have dinner.
Dinner?
So, we still have leftover hot dog and bacon, rice. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. And then we're heating up some water, and I'm making coffee for myself. We're gonna eat noodles. So I think my coffee is done. Let's.
Bolts in.
Let's.
Bolts in.
Pwede mo itong pakitapon, Nicolo. Pakitapon sa basurahan doon. Please. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation. Oh, thank you, Daddy. So, thank you, Daddy.
Some white, some red, some black.
Daddy, ikaw na talaga. So, viewers, everyone, here in this world, oh, mainit yan! Oh my God! Sabing don't touch eh. It's hot, it's coffee, di ba? So, we have here our coffee, our creamer, and creamer. Wow. We like having coffee in the morning, so I tend to baon-baon some. Yes. Taray ko, diba? Para tipid, hindi yung bili-bili pa. Ito yung mga, oh, sabing mainit eh. Ito yung mga lagayan ng mga stocks ni Nicolo. Oh, di ba? Amazing! Wait! Oh, hot yan ah. Hot is hot. Oh, noodles yan. Po, please excuse me. Excuse your hands. Thank you so much for your kind consideration. Yes, baon natin yung mga yan. Yan, mga yan. Ano ba yan? Kain na tayo.
Kain tayo.
Tingnan nyo naman yung isa. Bakasyonistang bakasyonista.
Ang isang buwan tayo dito.
Saan? Sa dala ko?
Sana nga.
Guys, magandang hotel to sa Hyatt Place sa Anaheim. Malapit sa Disneyland. Walking distance lang. Hi, soon mag-Disneyland din kami. Better watch out!
We're not proud.
Bye.
Everything that Oscar heard, everything that Oscar could see. See her on the bed. What is it? You hear that sound in the
4, 8, 9, 10, 11.
He recalled
Ikaw, hawak mo.
the night we died. It was a very warm night, and he said he heard a noise coming from the bathroom.
It's very difficult to determine.
Everything got out of control.
This is a war, a secret war.
Secrets and Spies, a nuclear game. Premiere Sunday, June 2nd at 10 on CNN. At last, an electric vehicle made to recharge.
First time ko lang makakatikim ng ganito. Laging seafood yung kinakain ko na niacin.
How do I get my raised beds looking so good?
Say good morning.
Mommy, toothbrush.
Diyan, mag-toothbrush ka. Lila.
Thank you.
Ang daming tubig eh.
How will you be here?
Anong ginawa mo kahapon?
Papa,
Anong ginawa natin kahapon? Saan tayo nagpunta?
Punta
Saan tayo nagpunta? Sa
sa
beach.
beach.
Anong ginawa natin sa beach? Langoy,
Mamoy,
lakad,
makan,
naglaro ng
menang,
sand,
san,
nagtayo
tayo,
ng
na,
sandcastle.
sangkasa.
Wow! Nagtayo ka ng sandcastle?
Ay, nagkasa. Oh, the dirty, the dirty, the dirt. The dirt, the pushing, the bush.
Hmm?
The pushing, the break, the wood.
Here's our breakfast. Nicolo, where's your breakfast?
Here, the daddy.
Oh, the yogurt.
Oh, God, daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Mommy, it's open here. It's open. What's that?
Bread. You want bread?
Yeah, bread. I got the food. The bread is food.
Yeah. Cream cheese.
Thank you.
You say good morning.
Mommy.
Sarap to.
Ito.
You say good morning.
Morning.
Kamusta po kayo?
Daddy!
Huwag ka maingay.
Daddy.
Oo.
Isang asukal, dalawa.
Good morning, Daddy. What's your breakfast? Ah, wait. Baliktad. Right. Bread station. Coffee. Ano to? Toast. Walking outside because kami full na full sa aming breakfast.
Gotta hold on tight, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Here we go, bumpy ride.
Nicolo, say hi. Hello guys. We're here at CVS. Ay, Walgreens pala. May mga Disney ano din sila merch. Oh my god. Shit. No. Hello. Spaceship.
I can fit in here.
Diyan ka lang tapos ano ka?
Space,
O, dun daw muna. Saan? Where are you, birds? Look for the bird. Go.
See? One more. Go look. Find the bird. Find the bird.
Saan, Daddy? Ano ba?
Wala na. Ayun. Ayun na. Taas na.
Ba? Visit ka? Nakakagulo na po sila, mga kaibigan. Eggs! What's this, Nicolo? Flower! That's a baby inside mommy's tummy. Yeah.
From one cell to hundreds in a matter of days.
It's you, baby. Ganyan ka lang kalit nun?
To be nourished for the next 9 months. The embryo's cells continuously in number and
Ito na, tas ito na susunod. Ano yan? Ano yan?
You get the mouse sleeping.
Ah, sleeping.
Ito, may nakita ka rito?
Ay, parang lizard.
Right there!
What's there?
What's that? Lizard is sleeping. Wake up! Wake up! Kaligod naman na okay. Watch, okay.
Hala, halos.
5 feet.
Halos 3 feet na.
35 inches.
Oh, ilang inch na lang.
3 inches ka na. What's in there? Oh, mouse. Mouse.
Gumagalaw.
Mouse!
Hi!
Hi, baby! Here! Open!
Snake. Sleeping. Say, snake.
Kokak, kokak.
Snake.
This snake! Over here!
Ay, good mo.
Bacterias. Wow, what's that? What's that? Jet. Ha? Nasabit.
Like 5 minutes.
Nasabit sila. Is that real? No. Kanino ka takot?
Sa misis ko.
Dapat lang. Thank you! What color is this? Orange? Yung color here, dali! Masakit? Nicola, where are you? Whoa! There you are!
Hug, mommy, hug.
Hi! Ah! Where? Let's go there? You want to take a picture with lightning? Wow! Ay, ang cute naman yan.
Guido, what's Guido say? Feed stuff. Feed. Feed stuff.
Huh? Vroom! Vroom! Paano sabi ng motor?
The motor say?
Ano ba to? Oo, parang Lego din. Wow.
Stay there. You want to stay there.
It's getting flat. What happened? Nalos. Nahal sila.
Stay there.
Is that normal?
Ano nangyari, Nicolo? Ano nangyari sa gulong? Ja-jump ba yan? Ja-jump? Nasa minivan. Ano pang nakita mo doon? Maraming car? O tapos, naglaro ka doon. Nag-play ka ba? Nag-play ka ng... Mahal din kita. I love you. I love you. Empanada. Let's eat. Dalawa.
Very good.
Picnic! Hi! Oh. Annyeonghaseyo. We're here at Griffith Observatory. As of today, Monday, it's closed. So, hanggang dito lang kami sa labas. Tuwan-tuwa siya.
Good city.
It is. It's adorable. Thank you. Oh. Wait. I love you. Good morning. Good morning, please. Good morning. Good morning, Daddy. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Breakfast muna bago magbiyahe. Bye.
Bye.
What are you eating? Cereal. Fruits and yogurt. Sausage. What's your stager thoughts? Bacon, scramble, bagel, cream cheese. Daddy also has the same. Without the bread.